At Mack Trailer, innovation is the cornerstone of our manufacturing process, and the patented Talk lighting system is the perfect example of this. This 5-component total area lighting kit redefines safety for drivers and takes it to the next level. Let's start with the Talk illuminated interlock bar. This bar lights up the space above the API area with bright white illumination, making sure the work zone is fully visible. It's perfect for drivers when making hose connections or unloading products. The light is seamlessly recessed into the interlock bar for a sleek look and comes standard on all Mack Trailers DOT 406 models. These self-illuminating arms swing open to establish and clearly define the unloading zone. Bright white lights shine directly onto the ground, while red lights illuminate the sides of each arm. Flashing amber lights at the tip of each arm ensure everyone around the unloading area is aware of the active work zone. These lighted arms are designed to keep the driver safe and visible during the unloading process. The Talk illuminated hose guard provides extra lighting at the unloading zone, while also protecting the side of the barrel during tight maneuvers like loading rack operations. The light is recessed for a sleek, integrated design, while still giving you extra visibility. With bright white lights integrated into the handrails, the Talk illuminated ladder ensures drivers can clearly see each step, even in low-light conditions. The lights also illuminate the surrounding area, enhancing safety and visibility from the ground. Recessed into the handrail, the lighting creates a sleek look without compromising functionality. The Talk illuminated rear head features a ring of red lights around the back of the trailer, enhancing visibility for other drivers on the road. It also makes the unloading zone more visible to those nearby, improving safety for everyone around the work area. At Mack Trailer, we're continuously pushing the boundaries of safety and efficiency through innovation. The Total Area Lighting Kit is available for any DOT 406 trailer. Visit us at macktrailer.com to learn more about the patented Talk lighting system and how it can enhance safety on the road.